Hello guys, welcome to Gladytech YouTube channel. In this video we're talking about why you might not be eligible for 456 frame on TikTok. This is a new squad game season 2 that has been going on TikTok for some time now. There are some reasons why you might not be eligible for this squad game. The reason is your location. Some of the locations has not been able to get this feature on their TikTok. So if you're among the locations that have not been able to get it, the only thing you have to do is to change your location on your TikTok in order to join the game. The second one is your account type. Business accounts might not be able to get it. Most of the business accounts will not be able to get this feature on their TikTok. Then third one is your latest version. So if your TikTok is not updated, you just have to update your TikTok in order to be able to get this 456 frame on your TikTok and be able to participate on the SWOT game. The fourth one is the feature testing. Some of the locations and some of the TikTok will not be able to have this 456 feature on their TikTok because of the future testing is still on. But that does not mean that they will not get it later. So if you don't have the feature on your TikTok for now, you're still going to have it on your TikTok. You just have to be patient. So guys, that is main reasons why you might not be eligible for 456 frame on your TikTok. Just have to be patient and make sure that your TikTok profile is active. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.